morning vlog. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you all along on my adventures. It's actually Friday and I took today off. I'm super excited. It's like a 3-day weekend already, so having an extra day off is really awesome because I have quite a few things I need to get done. But it's early morning and I'm actually going to be on my way to a Pilates class here in San Diego. I'm super excited because Pilates is something that I really enjoy doing. I try to go at least every week, once a week. I use ClassPass. Definitely recommend it. So there's a couple of studios I've been going to recently and I've really been loving it. So I'm gonna start off my day there and then I'm going to head to Trader Joe's right after and then come back home, eat, and then I have a few other adventures for the afternoon. So I'm super excited. It's really nice outside also. It's been super cloudy here in Southern California since February, so I'm excited to get out and enjoy the sunshine a little bit more. All right, see you all soon. Alright, I just got out of my reformer Pilates class. I'm definitely tired. It always gets me, but I feel so good. You know that feeling after you work out where you like push through it and then you feel really, really good and you're kind of just happier. So that's me right now. I also recommend a reformer Pilates if you haven't done it before. I just think it's like a really great workout, low impact as well. Sometimes I'm not the biggest fan of high impact workouts. They're harder on my joints. Every so often I'll go to like Barry's or do a run, but I really prefer these lower impact resistance workouts, and I feel like they work out certain muscle groups that I kind of neglect. Like I'm not the biggest fan of doing abs on my own. I feel like I need that motivation and that guidance or else I'm just not gonna voluntarily do ab workouts. I more prefer the arms and legs and cardio types of workouts, so I'm definitely glad that I did this to start off my day. And the sun has fully peeked out now, which makes me super happy, so I'm excited to go to Trader Joe's. So I am back from Trader Joe's. It was super fun. I always love going to Trader Joe's. And I got these pretty little flowers. I just think that they really brighten up the space. So I'm really excited to cut the stem and just put them in a vase here in the kitchen. And then for some other fun things that I just want to show you that I got these mini Stroop waffles with caramel in the middle. I've actually never tried them, but I've tried different ones when I went to Amsterdam, so I'm really excited to try these. I thought they were really good, so we'll see. I'll report back. And then just got these little Greek yogurts. I got one in vanilla and then I got some in the coconut flavor. Super good. I just poured some granola over it and they're a really good snack. And then got produce, and then I want to show you, if you haven't tried these, steamed chicken soup dumplings. They're super good. I'm kind of obsessed with them right now. And you just kind of pour some soy sauce over it. Just remembered I needed to buy soy sauce and I did not get that, so gonna have to go to a grocery store later this weekend. But yeah, I'm excited to eat these. They're super good. And then I also got this beef and broccoli. You just kind of steam it. You can cook it on the stovetop as well. And I like to make this with rice, and it's just a really good dinner. It's super quick and easy. And lastly, another fun item that I got is the tortilla corn chips. It's kind of like the fake Takis or Trader Joe's Takis. I personally like them better. Let me know in the comments if you like these or prefer Takis if you're a fan. But yeah, those were kind of the main fun items that I got, other than like produce and things like that. So I'm gonna put these away. I'm going to eat something and then get ready for the day, as we have a few more errands to run, and then it should be a fun evening. Hello again from my car. We are ready to go. I actually just got to a neighborhood called North Park here in San Diego, and the next errand on my list is to sell some used books that I have. There's a giant bag back here of books that I've had for the last few years that I've read, and so I'm hoping that they could just buy them back and hopefully get some store credit and maybe pick up some new books. But yeah, I'm here. I'm excited because there's also some little thrift stores nearby. It's a really cool area, so I think afterwards I'm gonna just walk around and see what's out there. So yeah, come along with me on this adventure. Alright, so I'm back in the car. That was really successful. They actually took all of my books. I think I had like 20 or so. They took all of them and I got store credit, so I actually picked up a new one called Educated. I've heard really good things about this book, so I'm super excited to read it. It's a memoir about a woman who basically lived in an area where there wasn't a lot of education. But according to the book, it's a tale about the struggle for self-invention. It's a first-generation student journey, so I'm excited to kind of see what that's like as I kind of relate to that. I'm excited to learn about her background and how she made her way through the education system and navigated in an area where there wasn't a lot of education. It was more rural. But yeah, the store was super cute. It's called Verbatim Books if you ever want to check it out here in San Diego. Super quirky. There's a lot of funky decoration, and it's definitely a must-see if you're in the area. And then after that, I went across the street. There's actually a little plant store called Pigment. There's a few around here in San Diego as well, and it was color-coded, and there's a lot of different plants and different quirky items as well, as you may have seen in the footage. So that was a really good stopping place as well to just walk around. I didn't pick up anything, but there's definitely quite a few items that were super cute. They had a lot of little jewelry items. I think it's a really good store to pick up a gift. They had some really quirky candles and self-care things. Overall, I really like that store. So yeah, that was successful, and now I'm going to head back home and then think about what I want to do for the evening. I've been home for a little bit now, and I think the next step is going to be Pacific Beach. It's around 6 o'clock right now. So I think that we're gonna catch the sunset and just walk around and enjoy the area since it's Friday night. It should be really fun out there. I don't know if you've ever been to Pacific Beach. There's a lot of places to eat, a lot of different bars and nightlife, so it definitely should be a fun time. So I'm back from the beach, and that was super relaxing. I feel a lot more calm, I think. I had a really great day today. Just being off work is always nice, and then of course just the little outing that I had earlier, and then just the beach, of course.
the energy at the beach is always great. I mean, people are always biking around, surfing is fun to watch, always little dogs running around, which I love. So yeah, I also wanted to give you all an update now that we're back and I can kind of sit down and talk to you. Basically, so an update is that I'm going to be moving. I'm super happy about this move and I can't wait to show you all where we're going, or where exactly we're ending up, but I'm moving to New York City with my boyfriend. We have decided to finally take the leap. I've wanted to live there long term for the last 2 years. I actually lived there briefly in 2019 for a summer and had the best summer ever. I think it's a city with a lot of things to do. It's really fast paced, definitely a lot different than San Diego, but I think it's going to be a really good change. We've been in San Diego for about 5 years now, so I think that a change of pace is going to be really good, and I'm just really excited. I have some friends out there. I think everything is just lining up to take the move in the next couple months actually, so I'm gonna be vlogging a lot of that and logistics, giving you all tips and kind of telling you all what I learned along the way. Hopefully everything goes smoothly, but we're already starting to pack up and sell things. That's why I sold the books earlier today. Just yeah, getting ready. It feels unreal. It's something that again I've wanted for a really long time, so I'm very grateful that we're able to do this now and commit. And yeah, I'm excited to tour apartments and just live in a new city with a lot more things to do as well. I'm from the West Coast, so living on the East Coast will also open up a lot of different opportunities and new places to go to in New England. Even driving up to Canada would be really cool. I love, nature and road trips, so I think there's a lot of exploring that we can do with the lakes and the mountains out there. I heard the beaches aren't the best, but it's okay. We'll make do. We've lived near the beach for quite a few years, so we can always come back and visit family. I think we're just mostly excited about the opportunities that are out there for both of our careers, and yeah, I'm again super happy and grateful to be able to take this move and to be taking you all along with us. So yeah, stay tuned for more vlogs coming soon about the move and those logistics, but just wanted to give you all an update on our lives. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here, but I hope you all enjoyed it. Feel free to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.